In this video, I'll show you how to hide columns in monday.com so you can keep your board clean and focused. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, log into your Monday.com's account and open the board you want to adjust. Boards often come with lots of columns, but not all of them are necessary all the time. That's where hiding columns helps. Look for the Hide Columns icon at the top of your board. Clicking it will open a panel with a list of all the columns. From here, just scroll through and select the ones you'd like to hide. As soon as you click, that column disappears from view, making your board cleaner and easier to work with. The good news is, nothing gets deleted. Your data is still there, just hidden until you choose to bring it back. To unhide a column, simply go back to the same panel and click it again. And that's it. Hiding columns is a quick way to reduce clutter and stay focused on the information that matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.